A smart and ambitious student named Ethan resided in the center of a busy city. He had the ability to do great things, with hopes of academic achievement and a bright future. But social media had become an addiction for him. He wasted his valuable time idly scrolling through posts for hours that eventually turned into days. Mr. Johnson, an old neighbor, came up to Ethan one evening with a discolored photo. He smiled nostalgically and continued, "This is me in my youth. The years fly by, my dear. Don't let it go the way I did." Ethan was deeply moved by these words. He made a choice that would change his life after realizing the importance of time. He avoided the never-ending distractions by using social media in moderation. Instead, he concentrated on his education, pursued interests, and tightened his relationships with family and friends. As the months went by, Ethan's efforts paid off. He excelled in his classes, developed fresh skills, and treasured special occasions. He had made the correct decision to treat time as the wonderful gift that it was. Ethan opened the door to a better future by accepting the worth of time. He shared his experience to encourage others, grateful for the lesson learned, and to show that one can change their life and make every minute count by making sensible decisions.